Walmart is drawing heightened attention across investor and retail tech circles as it accelerates its transformation into a deeply tech enabled commerce platform, underscored by newly announced AI partnerships with Google. The collaboration integrates Google's Gemini AI to power more intelligent conversational shopping experiences while also broadening Walmart's drone delivery ambitions. Moves that reinforce the narrative that WMT is no longer just a traditional big box retailer, but a scaled technology operator. This shift is fueling speculation around Walmart's anticipated inclusion in the NASDAQ 100, a milestone that would further cement its evolving identity alongside large cap tech peers. Executives have framed the initiative as a natural extension of Walmart's technology first strategy, a vision aggressively pursued under outgoing CEO Doug McMillon, who is set to step down on January 31st. During his tenure, Walmart has invested heavily in modernizing its supply chain infrastructure, automating logistics, expanding last mile delivery, and rolling out the Walmart Plus loyalty program to deepen customer engagement. At the same time, its rapidly growing digital advertising business, often cited as a margin expansion engine, has become a key profit lever, helping offset price competition in core retail categories. Artificial intelligence has emerged as a central pillar of this strategy. Walmart is now one of several major retailers partnering with Google to embed advanced AI tools directly into the shopping journey. At the National Retail Federation's annual convention, Walmart and Google announced plans to introduce an instant checkout feature that allows customers to complete purchases directly within Google's Gemini chatbot, using a variety of payment providers without ever leaving the conversational interface. This reduces friction in the buying process and positions Walmart at the forefront of agent led commerce, where AI assistants handle product discovery, decision making, and transactions end to end. Walmart's incoming president and CEO, John Furner, highlighted the broader significance of this shift, stating that the move from traditional web or app based search toward AI driven agents represents the next major evolution in retail. The message resonated with investors who see these initiatives as evidence that Walmart is building defensible tech infrastructure at massive scale, rather than merely experimenting at the edges. Notably, this is not Walmart's first foray into AI powered checkout. In October, the company announced a similar partnership with OpenAI, enabling customers to purchase Walmart products directly through ChatGPT using instant checkout functionality. Together, these partnerships suggest a deliberate strategy to meet customers wherever they engage with AI, whether through Google, OpenAI, or Walmart's own ecosystem. As a result, the prevailing narrative around Walmart is shifting. Community discussions increasingly frame WMT as a growth tech stock in retail clothing, with optionality tied to AI commerce, advertising, data, and automation layered on top of its massive physical and digital footprint. This convergence of scale, technology, and margin expansion is driving renewed debate over Walmart's valuation and long term positioning in a market that is rapidly redefining what it means to be a retailer.
Okay, so the stock is up 3.39%. This is Monday, the 12th of January 2026. It's it is an above average day, going by the fact that its 50-day average is usually 20.285 million shares. So far, 22 million shares have crossed the tape, and we have almost 4 hours before this session ends. Underlying trend strongly bullish. Okay, the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that this trend it has might remain in place up till the 22nd of January. And after that, there might be some profit taking that might take it, that might remain in place up till the 6th of February. From the 9th of February, it might resume the uptrend. No guarantee that this will be the case at all. Projections are currently saying, beginning from the least, we have 100.15, 102.67, 106.76. Momentum is equally expected to remain elevated, at least up till that day as well, up to the 22nd. Then after that, we might see a contraction. So the algos on the momentum are aligning with the extrapolation of its price. Let's see how that will pan out. Okay, let's have a look at its 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, what we have here is a consolidation towards the 22nd of January. Okay, so in the midst of all of that, it could still do what is extrapolated on the daily chart. So here we don't see the same sort of trend, the same extrapolation. It's more of a slightly distributive contraction. Momentum is expected to continue to weaken. So we'll just see how they will all align. Here projections are saying nothing to the upside, 114.32. Okay. So one other thing we could do as well is just see what the market grid is indicating in terms of possible prices. Okay, let's see what we have. You must have printed an intraday high today. You may have done so. Yeah, 119.5. So he has pulled back on those highs, but still attempting to retest them. So we have between 120.64 and 116 on this 4 hour chart. We're not going to see anything on the daily chart. So let's see. What we can do is just go and see what is indicated on its weekly chart. Yeah, higher prices all the way towards all the way towards the summer of this year. Nothing. It's not looking no looking back at all. Nothing. No apprehensions at all. 119.96, 128.01, 132.99. We could also apply the market grid here as well to see that there might be a chance that we may not see anything. We may not see anything. Yeah, but we'll try anyway. Yeah, it's not indicating. It's already at the top of that grid. It's currently at 118.65. Yeah, so it has maxed it out. So I think our best bet will be the 4 hour chart in terms of projections. It's pointing to $120, and we still have up to yeah, okay. We here on this weekly chart we have up to 132.99. I think it's at its all time highs. 132.99, 128.01, 119.96. These are possible prices. Well, the stock is the good thing about Walmart is that it's been around for more than 50 years. So the data you have on the stock can be reliable. So some of these extrapolations I'm reading out, they can be reliable. We can rely on. There's a good chance you might. There's a good chance they will at least if up to five trading sessions, up to 5 sessions, as the case may be, you can rely on them. You can rely on them because it has enough data, and yeah, the more the data, the more accurate the extrapolations are. Okay, yeah. So the stock may still be trending. So see what you make of WMT, and thank you very much for watching this video.